Hello again. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add some stuff to your All About Me project. Okay, so the first thing will be opening your file. So you should have it saved in your ID number, computer class folder, and it should be called All About Me in your last name. Okay, now to do a couple things to your character. One, if you want to change your character's costume, okay, or the name of your character, you could change the name up here, and the costumes are in here, so you can either paint a costume, meaning if I wanted to edit this one, I could just take the cat character, for instance, and I could change his color by clicking on him like that, okay, or I can draw stuff on him. Maybe I wanted to give him, I don't know, maybe a mustache or something like that. I could draw in on him. Yeah, obviously I'm not a great artist here, but you could change your character like that, or you can delete your character and import a new one. Okay? Now, if you don't want the cat at all in your project, you can delete your character by clicking the scissors and clicking on him. Okay? So you can either draw a new character from here or open a new one. So I'm going to open a fantasy character here, and we're going to start the project with this happy guy. All right? So that is how you change your characters. Now, once again, if you want to draw and edit your character, you can. And now for the scripts, each character has to be controlled by something in this project. So you want to start with a control. In this case, I'm going to use a control and a when a green flag is clicked. That means when I click this green flag, it's going to start my project. So now I have to give it something to do. First thing I want to do is figure out where I want my character to go to start. So I want him to go to 0, 0 because I want him in the middle of the screen. Okay? After that, I want my character to say hello. So I'm going to put in a say hello for 2 seconds. But I'm going to change it to what's up, everybody. Oop, spelling. Okay? So now when I click the green flag, my character starts in the middle of the screen and he says, what's up, everybody. Now I'm going to get him to move to a few different spots on the screen. So I'm going to go to motion again, and this time I'm going to have him glide to a different area. Now notice it still says X0, Y0, so that wouldn't make him move anywhere. But when I want my character to move, maybe I wanted him to move up to the top corner here, I could put in these coordinates. So it's 156, 95. So I would just type them in here, 156 and 95. And now when I click the green flag, it's going to put him back at the beginning. He's going to say, what's up for 2 seconds. Then he's going to glide to where he needs to be. Okay, so now my character has some movement. Now I can put in another say. And in this case, I'm going to have him say, press the down arrow for info about me. Okay, because remember, it's an All About Me themed project. So now I'm going to tell him to tell everybody to press the down arrow for more info about me. Now, it's not actually going to do anything until I make that part of his code. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into control, and this time I'm going to put in the when space key is pressed, but I'm going to change that to down arrow because I told my people that that's what's going to happen. Okay, and then in here I'm going to give it some more things to do. Okay, so in this case, maybe I want him to change his costume when he changes the down arrow. So I can import a new costume. So maybe I want to tell people that I like, let's see, let's change something here. Maybe we want to go to people. Okay, and I can choose a different character from in there. All right, so maybe I'll put in the break dancer. Click OK. All right, now I'm going to have him change the costume to the breakdancer when I press the down arrow. So what I will need to do is first, I will need to put in a switch to costume at the beginning. So that way he starts with the fantasy character costume. So once again, I click the green flag, it's back to the regular costume. Okay, but then when I press the down arrow, I want it to switch to the breakdancer. So now when I press down on my keyboard, it changes to my breakdancer. Okay, and then after we do that, we can add in some more stuff. So that is how you do costume changes and movements. And the next time I will show you how to change your backgrounds.